The one who's speaking to me, he says, let us prepare the church
for the 2020.
for 2020.
Year
For the
2020.
year 2020.
Khona izinto
There
ezizohlasela
are
la.
things that are going to attack you
Khona
here.
abanye ongathi bahamba nathi kanti abahambi
There are things
nathi.
that are hungry.
Khona izinto ezizohlasela
There are
la.
some things that are going to attack here.
Kuzovuka abantu ebekade sibathemba.
The people that we trusted, they are going to rise against us.
Bazovuka against lo msebenzi.
They will rise against this work.
Ngoba imali.
Because money,
Imali.
money
Iwulimazile lo msebenzi.
Money has damaged this work.
Ngiyabonga baba.
Lord, I thank you.
Lokho engivala ngako yiloko engikuthathe kuwe.
That which I close up with, I got it from you.
Lokho engivala ngako yiloko engikuthathe emazulwini.
That which I close up with, I got it from
Akusi
heaven.
message yokwentertain abantu.
This is not a message to entertain anybody.
Kodwa imessage yokwakha la.
It's a message that is meant to build right here.
We are staying here.
Thina siyahlala la.
Asiyi indawo.
We are not going anywhere.